To make this amazing cornbread, we're going to add 1 cup of whole wheat flour, half a cup of cornmeal, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, sift the flours, two tablespoons of coconut sugar, mix, set aside. Here I have 1/3 cup of water. I'm going to add some sweet corn, gonna blend. We bring it back, and I want to get rid of some of this sugar dust. Okay, so here's our flours, and I blended the corn. We're gonna start adding that in. We're gonna add about 1/2 cup of the corn. And I added a little bit of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons, so it can be a nice sweet and savory cornbread. So just stir it in there like that. Now I'm just gonna add a cup of liquid. Now if I need more, I'll add a little more. We're gonna give it a toss. I think I am gonna need some more, of course. Sometimes these flours are very thirsty. No, they're good. Right now that it's nice, I'm gonna add some corn. 1/3 cup. Add the rest of the liquid, the remaining liquid that I have. Give it a little bit of a toss. Okay. Now I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt to bring out those flavors. And if I had some jalapenos, I would add jalapenos, but I don't have any today, but feel free to add some. But we'll save that for another video. How about that? We'll make jalapeno cornbread. Right, so we just want the salt to fully incorporate. Now we're going to place it in our preferred container. This is what I'm going to be using today. Just a silicone container, and I like to place it in a tray because it does move around once it has all the weight. Okay, so in to my tray it goes. And to fully make this, you can double batch this. You can make another batch to make a bigger cornbread. It's not going to be a giant cornbread. I don't usually make a lot of cornbread or cakes at all. So I'm just going to smooth it out. All right, now we bake it at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. And there you have it, amazing cornbread recipe. And this recipe is so delicious. It's to live for. And you can just put it on your plate and enjoy your pasta salad and some black beans with some collard greens and enjoy your amazing meal. This is so delicious. I used to have this when I was staying in Oklahoma, and I learned a lot about the southern foods, and cornbread is always delicious. Look at this beautiful cornbread. This cornbread is so sweet, it's so savory, and it's delicious. But the cornbread is inspired from the Mexican culture. We also have pan de queso, we also have pan de elote, we have tamales de elote. So we make a lot of different recipes with corn. So it's not a southern recipe or anything, it's just a Mexican style southern meal. with cornbread. This is how maybe a Mexican will eat it. So, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Definitely try this cornbread recipe. It's so tasty. It's so moist. It's so good.